I've asked the sales Dr. Brian Azar to come in and talk to both teams. I also asked the teams to bring in their top sales recruits, as it's important that they also have the right attitude in selling Events Leader.
Most of you in this room are trying to find that golden egg, and sometimes you kill a golden goose just to get that egg out of them, and suddenly you discover there's no eggs in there. But about 10% of you in this room are smart enough to go for those platinums, which I call the golden geese. Those platinums are unconditional givers. They're not only bringing in 85% or more of your revenues, they're giving you referrals and introductions, but the platinums are your disciples. They are the people that'll go out there and they'll bring you people like you wouldn't believe. If you do one thing right with them other than serving them, if you ask them for help, you identify your top 4% and you ask for help. By the way, the 4 most powerful words, can you help me? And the platinum unconditional giver goes, sure, what can I do for you? Well, who would you know that could benefit from my talent, skill, and ability and my unique services?
After the first week, we were a little bit worried. Our tactics weren't necessarily working the way that we had anticipated them working. So basically, we kind of stepped back and re-went through our list of contacts that we had made through this whole process.
I think it's funny how a lot of our major big planned things that we worked so hard on didn't pull through as much as personal contacts.
Like every single one of these challenges, it always comes back to who you know. Always. We figured that we were getting behind, so we had to work really hard and decided that we needed to go ahead and start focusing on the resources that we already had. Once we did that, everything started to fall into place.
As the ladies returned to their